Hello everyone, in this video I would like to explain about accounting terms. This topic I have chosen to make you more understand about the tally because some terms we need to know before learning tally practically. So it will be easy for you to understand tally practically. And so first I would like to explain what is accounts, what are the different types of accounts, and what are the golden rules of account, and what are the different accounting terms we will get in a tally, and what is journal, how to enter transaction in a journal, okay, and how to post that transaction in a ledgers. We are going to learn all these topics step by step. Okay, next I will start with the accounts. Here, accounting is the process of recording financial transactions related to a business. And the accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions in a book. And I will explain with the example or what are the different financial terms we will get in a business to make you more understand about these financial transaction term. One example I have taken here, that is the bay traders. Consider this bay trader is running manufacturing business, and before starting any business, that owner has to invest money in his business. Whatever money he is investing in his business, that is called as a capital account here. Okay, this is capital account is a financial transactions. One more point you need to remember, that financial transactions should be related to money, then only it is called as a financial transactions. Now he has started his business with some money, that is called as a capital account here. After starting his business, he might be giving rent to the building. Here what term we will get, that is called as a rent account is a financial transaction here. Okay, after starting his business, he need to buy raw material to run his business, or else he need to buy raw materials to produce a particular products in his business. Here, whatever raw materials he is purchasing, that is called as a purchase account. Here, purchase account is a financial transaction in his business. Okay, after purchasing raw materials, he will try to produce a particular product. Okay, after producing these products, he need to sell these goods to the buyer, and here one account will come, that is the sales account. Okay, he need to sell these goods to the buyer. So here what term will come, sales account will come. Sales account is what here, financial transactions. Okay. He need to pay salary to the employee, his employees, and here is what, salary account is a financial transactions. These all are the different financial transactions may occur in a businesses. Here accounting process includes summarizing. After getting these all transactions in a business, that they need to summarize the transactions, then they need to analyze the transactions, and after analyzing that all transactions, they need to report in a bookkeeping. This is only the process of accounting.